bringing?
emails in the time we sat down.
4?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, if I don't, then by the time I get home, then
I thought go. Oh, there we go.
Here we go.
Going. Choo choo. Choo choo. Choo choo.
Choo choo.
It's going to the wide. I have to go for wide. We're going back through.
There's Grandma.
There's Grandma.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. She's thinking. Where did I thought they going?
Go in the tunnel. And the slide. You want to go on the slide next?
Yeah. It'll be super fun.
Do you want Mommy or Daddy to ride with you on the slide?
because of your body weight,
Mommy.
we had us veering off to the edge. So I had to put my hand and my foot down to direct us. So we ended up flying.
Favorite things we want to ride.
Welcome to the
Are we going in the tunnel?
Well, it's a good thing, too.
Here comes the tunnel.
We already had a concussion in the
Tunnel. Tunnel.
sliding back.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur. There's
Is that cool?
There's dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs.
There's favorite dinosaurs.
Is that cool?
Yeah, they're
Choo choo.
choo choo. There's a one choo choo.
That's a pretty cool tunnel. Washington State Fair.
Yeah. Hey,
Careful.
look at the back. It feels so
Is that
cool.
cool?
up here. Wait.
Cool in there, huh?
Oh wait, we're going fast here.
You say hi?
Hi. I know, this kind of reminds me. We're going back further. Of the tunnel, you might see tunnel.
Terrifying to think that
What of
the only thing that's holding that thing up is a couple pieces of wood on the
tunnel?
ground.
Choo choo choo. I'm off. I.
Feel the same when I walk going
There's a train track.
You know, there's posts.
Yeah.
And there's just on these. I'm like,
Oh, there's a train track.
Yeah, there's another train track, huh?
Awesome. There's a train track. I see what?
You good?
He's been talking about riding the train at the fair for like 12 months. So when he's like, nope, I'm like, no, you're going.
why are you smiling?
You having fun?
He says,
Yeah, is it fun?
Look, Arden, there's a hospital here we're going at.
We're going on this train.
That's
so
a scrambler.
At your room had a view of the fair going.
I really love rides. They're
You
so
really love rides? What's your favorite ride?
the mansion
The Haunted Mansion?
here. It's
Do
white.
you like the Dragon roller coaster?
Yeah,
There's that one, see?
dragon.
Dragon roller coaster.
I really like that
You
one.
like that one? It goes fast, huh?
Goes really fast. The dragon roller coaster was fun. Or doesn't like that.
She doesn't like that one? Do you like riding the train? That used to be Aiden's favorite ride.
which one?
The boats.
Way too big now.
Yeah.
We're not.
Yeah, you are.
It's for little kids, sweetie. It's like Kemper size and younger. He's actually almost too old for that ride. Hi, there's Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Are you good? Hi. Hi. Hi.
We should take you to jail.
We should take you to jail.
I'm not going to
Waiting
jail.
for years.
Almost done. Was that a fun train ride?
Yeah, it was fun.